Hello everyone, I would like to introduce how to make a crown from scratch. The 3D images derived from intraoral scanners need to be imported into a computer. Technicians in the dental lab can virtually design crowns on the digital software such as CAD or 3Shape. The first step in the construction is the preparation margin detection. Then the technicians need to draw and correct the margin line. Then they use specialized CAD software to design the crown, customizing it to match the tooth, natural shape, size, and color. The design is also adjusted to ensure that the crown will properly fit the patient's bite and occlusion. Technicians also need to use CAM software to lay out the crown and confirm the position of connectors on the block. After the design is finalized, the digital file is sent to a milling machine which takes precise computer-controlled movements to carve out the crown according to the digital design. After the crown is milled, it needs to be sintered in the furnace. In the meantime, the working model, antagonist dental model, and die model are fabricated by 3D printer. The next step is trimming and shaping. Any excess material or tough edges are smoothed out to ensure a precise fit. Using different grinders and other tools, the milled crown could be modified into just at the same shape as the original ones by the experienced technicians. After that, the crown needs to be sandblasted to the preparation for staining and glazing. Comparing to other processes, the step of staining and glazing is also challenging and requires a great deal of expertise and a rich experience from the technicians, who shape the crown according to the shape guide. Then the crown goes into the porcelain furnace to carry out the glaze firing process. After the final firing, the restoration is carefully removed from the porcelain furnace and allowed to cool gradually. Recheck and ensure the adaptation, fit, and alignment of the crown. The last step is to wash and dry the restoration and models, wrapping them well for standby. This is the entire process of making a dental crown step by step. Thank you for your time.